Hi programmers, I wanted us to do a quick video to validate the date, and I've closed all these methods so I won't have so much to scan through. But anyway, I've created this method called check date, and I put it underneath the check integer method, and it's just like the check integer except that we're doing a date instead of an integer, and you'll have to watch it. I noticed in the first video it didn't work, and that's because on this error F I changed it to no, which no means there's not an error and yes means there is. So anyway, this is the second video on this. Anyway, you start with your error F, which is a static variable, and then you have your date time, and you create this int date, and then you have passed it, the text box, and so you see if it'll convert, and if it does, good. If it doesn't, you send an error message. And this right now is only called in one program, but we're going to have lots of date fields. And anyway, so we use this int date text box 2, and we called the check date and sent it that field, and then if error F equals Y, we set the focus. And I'm going to take this line out, and we're going to save it all, then we're going to run. We'll see if it'll work for me this time. Last time it did work, but it gave me an error message, but then it didn't change the focus back. Keep it here. We aren't locked into this date field until you enter something correct. So leave the field. Okay, we got an error message, and there it is. Let's see if it will do. Like we'll say 01/24/2009, which that's tomorrow's date. Yay, it led us through. So anyway, I'll see you next time, and I think we're going to start on this create records button. Okay, bye.